there is something that we all have in our homes, something that we almost without thinking about throwing away every time. And it is precisely this nothing special that hides the power for strong peppers and cucumbers, for sturdy stems, dark green leaves, and a rich harvest. It is interesting that our ancestors knew this, but over time we have forgotten. While we buy expensive fertilizers, the solution literally passes through our hands and ends up in the bin. If your peppers are often weak, the flowers are falling, or the fruits are late, and the cucumbers look tired and pale, this is a sign that the soil is missing something. Not much, but just the right thing. And that right thing is eggshells. I bring you 2 great tips, so follow us to the end. Let's go straight to the first one. The trick is simple, but it is important to do it right. The shells are dried and ground into a fine powder. Before planting peppers, the same goes for cucumbers, add exactly 1 tablespoon of ground shells to each hole and only then plant the plant. No more, no less. The soil gets calcium, the roots get stronger, and the plant has what it needs from the start. But the story doesn't stop there. Eggshells give strength, but there's another kitchen ingredient that works quietly below the surface of the soil and makes a difference that few people associate with gardening. Again, something we use every day, but rarely see as helping plants: cornmeal. When combined with eggshells, you get a quiet, slow, but long-lasting supplement. It doesn't push the plant suddenly, but nourishes the soil, and when the soil is strong, the plant does the work itself. How to use? Before planting, add 1 tablespoon of ground eggshells, 1 tablespoon of cornmeal. Everything is gently mixed with the soil, and only then is the pepper or cucumber planted. What happens next? The cornmeal feeds beneficial microorganisms in the soil. The shells strengthen the roots and stem, and the plant gets a stable start without shock and without chemicals. The result is stronger plants, fewer problems with flowers and fruits, and more even growth, especially in the first, most important weeks. Few people talk about this combination because it seems too simple, but the garden often loves just such solutions. Few people do this, and the difference is visible already in the first weeks of growth. Friends, share this video with your friends on social media. Thank you.